In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix MetaTrader 5 not connecting. If MT5 isn't connecting properly, don't worry. In most cases, the issue comes down to account details, server selection, network settings, or outdated local files. We're going to walk through the most effective fixes in a clear order so you can get back online as quickly as possible. First, verify your credentials and server. This is the most important place to start because even a small login mistake can stop MetaTrader 5 from connecting. Carefully check that you're entering the correct login and password for the account you're trying to access. Also, make sure you're selecting the correct server provided for that account. Some brokers use multiple servers, and choosing the wrong one can make it seem like MT5 is broken when it's really just pointing to the wrong destination. Next, keep in mind that incorrect login details, a wrong server, or an expired account can all cause the same connection problem. If your password has changed, if you're trying to log into a demo account that has expired, or if the account is no longer active, the platform may fail to connect. If needed, confirm your account status and server information directly through your broker's account dashboard. After that, check your connection and network settings. Make sure your internet connection is stable and working normally. If your connection is weak or restricted, MT5 may not be able to reach the trading server. It also helps to check whether a firewall, antivirus program, VPN, or proxy setting might be interfering with the app. Sometimes simply switching networks or restarting your router can help rule out connectivity issues. If the problem continues, clear the cache and reinstall the platform if necessary. Corrupted temporary data can prevent MT5 from working properly, especially after updates or interrupted sessions. A clean reinstall can often resolve deeper software issues that basic troubleshooting doesn't fix. Inside MT5, go to File, then Open Data folder. From there, locate the logs and cache folders and delete old files stored in those locations. This helps remove outdated or damaged local data that may be causing the connection problem. Be careful to delete only the old files in those folders and not other important platform data. Finally, if the issue still persists, download the latest installation file directly from your broker's website. This is important because broker-provided versions of MT5 are often configured for the correct servers and settings. Installing the newest version ensures you're using the most up-to-date build and reduces the chance of compatibility problems. That's how to fix MetaTrader 5 not connecting. Follow these checks in order, and in most cases, you should be able to identify the cause and restore your connection.